In this video, we'll create a form to gather testimonials, and then create a view to display them on the front of our website. To start, head to Formidable Forms. Click Add New, choose Blank Form. Use any fields you like, but remember, the shorter the form, the more likely people are to fill it out. We are going to go with name, star rating, title, message, and profile picture. Let's change the default field names. So for example, the file upload field could say profile picture. And let's also add a website field so reviewers can include a link to their company site or social media. This not only motivates them to fill out the form for more exposure, but also adds credibility to your testimonials. Once done, save and name your form. Now I'm going to add some entries so we have some data to work with. Go to the Views tab, click Add New, choose Grid, and give it a name. Let's use the Layout Builder to create a repeating layout with 2 columns. We want the profile picture on the left and text fields on the right. But you could build any other layout you want. Let's click on the left section. Here on the right are all of the fields from our form. These numbers are the ID numbers from each field. To add the profile picture, we need to add the ID of the media upload field. But this will only show the image URL. To actually see the image we need to add, show _image equals 1 around the ID of the field. On the right side, we are going to add the name and star rating. But as you can see, the stars are showing as numbers. To see the star icons, add HTML equals 1. Now let's add the title, paragraph, and the link to their website. Looks great, but right now these links look a bit ugly and are not clickable. Copy and paste this short code from the description. Change X to the ID number of the website field. In our case, 523. And let's write View Website. Remember to always press Update to see the changes. Nice. How about we make the name bold? To do so, just open the editor, make sure you are in the Visual tab, and highlight the parts you want to format as if you were editing a text document. Let's make the testimonial text italic. You can also sort entries by any field, like for example by highest star ratings first. And if you want to limit the number of testimonials displayed, set a limit in the advanced settings. Finally, to embed your testimonials, use the Gutenberg block or copy and paste the shortcode anywhere on your site. If you don't want to build this from scratch, you can use the pre-made application template that includes both a form and different views, making the process even quicker. And you can still edit all the fields to make it fit your needs. Sign up to our newsletter to get more tips and tricks to enhance your business with form-based applications.